Hey guys, so below I have a tricky year 11 topic that I think a lot of students struggled with. So the question is, the function f of x satisfies this equation. So f of x plus 2f of 2 minus x is equal to x squared. And this is for x greater than or equal to 0. And now the question asks us to determine a simplified expression for f of x. So what I want to do is kind of reframe how we think of this question. And what I want you guys to think about is that this could be a simultaneous equation question. Doesn't look like it, but it's just one in disguise. So let's think about it. We've got f of x plus 2 times f of 2 minus x, and that's equal to x squared. What we want is just f of x. We kind of want to get rid of this f of 2 minus x. How could we do that? If we think about it, let's do a substitution, and you'll see why it's important in this case. Let's say that x is going to be 2 minus u. Now, why is that important? Well, if we make that substitution, we have f of 2 minus u plus 2 times, and I'm going to replace that second x with, again, 2 minus u, and that's going to be equal to 2 minus u squared. So what we can do is we can clean this up a little. So you would get f of 2 minus u plus 2 times. Now this is all going to clean up to be f of u, and that's going to be, when I expand this, 4 minus 4u plus u squared. Now, if we label this as equation 2 and we label this as equation 1, we can see that with a little bit of manipulation, we could actually get rid of this f of 2 minus u. This u that we have here, that can be changed to any variable. So let's change it back into an x and see what we get. We're going to get f of 2 minus x plus 2 times f of x is equal to 4 minus 4x plus x squared. Now, what we can do here is, if we notice and label this as equation 2 and this as equation 1, we could get rid of that f of 2 minus x that we've been wanting to do in the past with a little bit of manipulation. So multiplying equation 2 by 2, we would get 2 times f of 2 minus x plus 4f of x is equal to 8 minus 8x plus 2x squared. Now, if we label this as equation 3 and do 3 minus 1, would be able to get rid of that f of 2 minus x. And what we would be left with, cleaning that up, is going to be 3 f of x is equal to 8 minus 8x plus x squared. And now to find f of x, we just divide both sides by, and we would be left with x squared on 3 minus 8 on 3x plus 8 on 3. If you guys want to see more questions like this, feel free to give us a follow.